Hello everyone, if you have installed any application and that is very important application for you and you are regularly using that application, but that application shortcut has been not created on the desktop. So how you will open that application? In this video, I will let you know if the shortcut has been not created on the desktop or that application are not showing on the taskbar. So how you will do it. Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Tiwari and welcome to PKK Pathshala. Okay, if that application is not showing on the desktop, you have to search that application. I have installed the application Chrome, but it is not visible on the desktop. Okay, so you have to type that application name. Okay, I have installed the Chrome, so it is here now. Now right click, open the file location and right click on it and move to option send to and choose the option desktop create shortcut option. If you will follow, you can create the shortcut of any application on the desktop, and if you want to create the shortcut of that application on the taskbar, so you just go over here, Chrome, right click over here and pin to taskbar. Now this application is on the taskbar. When you have required, you just click over here and this application will be open. You will not need to go over here and search, then open that application. You will simply click over here, just and the application will be open. You can follow this step and you can add any application on the desktop. Thank you.